Happy morning, friends. Today I am going to talk about self-kill. Yes, depression has been a problem with humans on earth since the ages. The human nature is such that it is always filled with desire. Human itself is a man of desire, is a creature of desire, and when the desires are not fulfilled, humans go to the extreme level of self-kill. And that's a crime. Yes, it is the extreme level crime than any other thing on this earth and in this universe. Self-kill is not at all a solution to all your problems. When you see a problem as a problem, it is a problem. When you see a problem as an opportunity to develop yourself and as a lesson to improve yourself, it is not a problem then on. Yes, you face many hurdles in your life, I agree. But if you are able to solve it on yourself, you will solve it. If you are not to solve the problem on yourself, you could seek help from others. And if no one supports you, and even if you alone can't solve the thing, just wait for the right time. Time is the best medicine. Time teaches us lesson. Time gives us success. Time gives us failure. And everything is depending on time. No one expects what happens to the world, to the universe, and to us in the next second, in the next millisecond. It is highly unpredictable. Maybe all your problems might just vanish like that. In the next day you wake up. But going to the extreme level of self-destruction doesn't do you any good. Rather than it does some bad things to people who depend on you and the people who seek to you as an inspiration. I request you to wait until the right time comes, when your problems are not at all being solved by any other person or any other method. Waiting for the right time is the best solution. And remember, you are born to achieve and you are born to succeed. You are not born to fail. You know, people who kill themselves are not only killing themselves, they are killing along with them many ideas. There is a great quotation like, the world's richest place is not the Swiss bank or not the World Bank or not Bill Gates' house. The world's richest place is a graveyard where millions of very rich thoughts, very rich ideas might have been buried under the earth by people who have killed themselves. Yes, you kill along with you many ideas that might have changed the world, that might have changed your life even if you have waited for one more single day. The human life is very precious. You are very lucky to be born as a human life. You have all the abilities, you have the highest intellectual power among all the creatures. And by even being so, if you feel your life is a failure, think about the other living creatures which can't express their feelings, which don't have the intellectual power, which can't ask for food when in need, which can't even take care of its health when in disaster. You are very lucky to be born as a human being because you are blessed with the highest intellectual power If you believe in karma theory, it says to be born as a human, it takes many life cycles. You will be born in other creatures, and after many extreme stressful life cycles of being in other life forms, the human is blessed with the life which he has now. And if you kill yourself, you are wasting that precious life of yours, which is a God-given gift. Yes, I can say, even if the whole world doesn't support me, even if the whole world says me I am wrong, you have only two choices. If it is really wrong to my heart, I admit it is wrong, and I try to correct myself and go on from the next day onwards. If I think I am right, I'll try to go in my path. But if I kill myself, then I am letting my problems win over me. I am letting the whole world win over me, and I am making myself a fool. I agree, you might have many mental problems, mental depressions. You will be suffering from lack of assistance, lack of friendship from others. See, no one will be your best friend. The love you see, the friendship you see is not always true. If it is true, you are lucky. And I say, you are your best friend. You must be your best friend in this world and in this universe. No one is permanent. No one will stay with you forever. You must believe this truth. And even if you are the only person living on this earth, you must live happily and say proudly to yourself that you are the only human being left on this earth to proclaim the success of human life form. For any assistance or self-help, please find our WhatsApp number in the description and share us with your thoughts. Share with us your thoughts. If you are in a problem, we will try to provide the best solution which we think, or we will connect you with people who can help you. Let's cooperate with each other and let's help each other, and all together march towards success. Thank you very much. Have a good day and keep smiling always.